If you're trying to get tough stains out of an acrylic tub, opt for gentle, natural solutions like distilled white vinegar or lemon juice. Fill a spray bottle with vinegar or lemon juice and spray it directly on the stains. Wait for 10 to 20 minutes. Then wipe the area with a soft sponge to remove the grime. If you need a little extra scrubbing power, sprinkle on a little baking soda before wiping the area down. You can also use a melamine sponge to lightly scrub the area, but be gentle so you don't scratch up your tub. Avoid using harsh cleaners that contain abrasives like Comet, Borax, or Ajax, since they could damage the acrylic. When you're done, rinse the tub with clean water for a few minutes to wash away any remaining dirt and grime. If your bathtub is enamel, you'll also have to be careful of using anything too harsh or abrasive. Start with gentle cleansers, like vinegar. If that doesn't do the trick, work your way up to tougher solutions, such as bleach-free commercial bathroom cleaners. Just check the label to make sure the product is safe to use on enamel tubs. You can also make your own cleaner by mixing warm water, baking soda, Castile soap, and a few drops of your favorite essential oil into a spray bottle. Whichever cleaning solution you choose, spray it on the affected area and leave it for several minutes so it has a chance to break down the stain. Use a soft sponge or microfiber cloth to gently buff the area using small, circular motions. Repeat the soak and scrub process several times if you need to. When you're done, rinse the grime away with clean water. Porcelain bathtubs are a bit tougher, so you can safely use abrasive cleaners on this type of tub. Try a commercial cleaning powder, or make your own abrasive paste out of hydrogen peroxide and cream of tartar. Apply the powder or paste directly to the stain. If you're using a powder, dampen it with a little water to create a paste. Scour the stain away with a sturdy scrubber, like a stiff bristle brush or a pumice stone. Rinse the area with clean water and let it air dry when you're done.